All right, YouTube. So we are getting ready to take a couple of days off before the 4th and head out to Hidden Falls Adventure Park in Marble Falls area. We love it out there. Great climbing. So take a look. The mirrors. What do you think? They really they actually stand out pretty good with the black and the green. Sort of match the machine, don't they? So got them all done. Finally put on. It wasn't a big deal. When you have a full windshield, I was really worried about whether or not that's going to fit on that full windshield, but it sure does. It's tight, but it does make it with no problems whatsoever. So we are ready. I finished off my backs. You know, a lot of guys are complaining about how hard these were to install, and you're right, they weren't easy, but I will tell you that they're on solid, and that's what counts. You know, that's really what counts, is that these things hold up when you scrape something or do something. So take a look. Tiger tail. Look how high off the ground that is with that tiger tail. So I've got her mounted. I've got to put a pin in it. And again, it's because of that EMP 2-inch receiver back there that makes it work, because the EMP really has a high center on that 2-inch hitch. And that's the one to go with, guys, if you don't want to find yourself probably hitting something on the way down a boulder or what have you. So she's pretty high up, and I can lower that down a little bit more and tuck it in a little bit tighter if I want to, and I probably will, but for now she's on and she's ready. So everything's looking good. I've got some things to do on my X3 tomorrow night before we leave Wednesday, and we're going to rent an RV out there, and as we normally do through RV Share, and get some riding in. We've already got our reservations in. So we're ready. Just an FYI, guys, for any of you all that are local. Excuse the mess in my side yard, but this is what the kids affectionately call Bessie, or Betsy. She's been a real killer. She's got big old heavy skid plate on her, 28s instead of 27s. This is a 2016. I've got custom stereo inside. I've got poke momos up in the corners, pokes in the back bed, little bag across there. I'm going to be selling this thing, and I'll be listing it out there for $10,000. You have less than 1,000 miles on it. So if anybody's interested in a great Commander, there she is. So if anybody's headed out to Marble Falls, we'll see you out there this weekend.